This guy uses a customized sling rope that's create a brick design on the wall in a matter of minutes. Please leave a comment below. I subscribe and I will reply to you personally. Thank you. A well-placed and organized group of bricks in a proper position easily set up by this smart worker. Using a piece of plywood, this guy easily puts cement on the side of the hollow blocks for a strong foundation. This guy uses a cement metal attachment that easily distributes cement for the balanced positioning of the bricks. A team of mason finishers easily smoothen the newly cemented pool using a cement metal spatula. This group of road workers easily smoothen the wet cement with their smart idea. This guy is a champion of putting a bricks without using any marker to cut individually. This guy is a master of making a small tunnel for cooking made of bricks. Using a flat metal with a steel hammer, this guy easily cut the bricks into their desired size and shape. A simple string that uses a guide for setting the blocks in a good place with precision. This bobcat operator carefully uses a suspended metal rope to give safety for his demolition job. This fence metal holder easily dispenses the rolled fence to its designated position. This guy is very professional in terms of setting tiles with a unique design. Please leave a comment below. I subscribe and I will reply to you personally. Thank you. This guy uses a construction ceiling tape in between to enclose the ceiling. A sharp roof scissor carefully used to cut the roof cover for final replenishment. This guy carefully installed expanding foam insulation inside the top ceiling. A piece of metal string pinned on the center of the circle uses a guide to smoothen the circular ceiling design. This guy uses a manual lifter to ensure the attachment of this plywood into the ceiling. A simple use of steel tape measure allowed this guy to get the exact bend shape of the gypsum board. Using a roller attached to an extension pole, this guy easily painted the ceiling. This guy carefully installed expanding foam insulation inside the top ceiling. This guy easily set up the bricks into the floor like a pro without using any guide. Using a piece of wood, this guy uses this as a guide for making these bricks in the perfect position. This guy uses a steel cutter tool that's provided design in a wet floor cement. This guy uses a brick cutting machine to cut the bricks in a perfectly fit. Without using any marker or pattern, this guy is a master of cutting the bricks with consistency. This guy is very smart. He uses an empty mineral bottle to catch the dirt from the drilled ceiling. Please leave a comment below. I subscribe and I will reply to you personally. Thank you. This guy is a master of putting screws on the wall in a matter of seconds.